it's your girl Evie Joe back with another DIY by EVI. Today's DIY is this Instagram Baddie outfit. I got this shirt from the thrift store and these jeans I also got from the thrift store. However, I did have to DIY these jeans just a bit in order for it to come out just like the Instagram Baddie. If you like this look, please continue to watch. Okay, so first things first, you do want to fold these jeans like you're getting ready to iron them. Once you have folded your jeans, you can begin cutting. Now, the trick to this distressed jean is you're not necessarily cutting slits, you're cutting out pieces of the jeans. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. I'm just going in and I'm cutting two normal slits like I would any ripped jeans, but instead of leaving that flap there, I'm going to cut that flap out. I'm going to continue this all through the pant of the jean, the leg of the jean, front and back. As you can see, it's an opening. Make each opening a different size, like some bigger than the other. Once I get to the top of the pant, I do just cut a big slit. But if you're not comfortable with that much thigh out, of course you don't have to cut a bigger slit like that. Here's where I cut that slit. But basically just make them uneven. Cut them as organically and natural as possible so that it just looks like it's naturally done. After you have finished cutting your jeans front and back with your slits or your openings everywhere, then you're going to throw your jeans in the washer twice. So you put it in the washer twice and you put it in the dryer twice. This is what's going to give it that distressed look where the jeans is creating this frail look. And you'll see here shortly just how it turns out.